When I was in high school and I got a driver's license, it was incredible because I could then drive 100 miles east of Los Angeles out into the desert and drive roads through areas where I'd never been before. And that's sort of been what drives me, is getting into areas where I've never been before, seeing things I've never seen before, understanding a little bit about them, and then wanting to know more and more about other things and other places and whatever. And that's been pretty much my career. Interesting piece of that is growing up in the LA area, there are a couple of species of terrestrial snakes called whip snakes and racers, which I got to know fairly well, and then some king snakes and everything. But when you get out into the more arid areas, out into the desert, there's a species called a red racer, which is fairly aggressive. And I remember two of us on a Boy Scout trip going out and thinking that maybe we'd see one of these red racers, and it would be great to see one of these because it'd be a new species. And sure enough, on a Saturday morning when we were out hiking around in one of the canyons out near Palm Springs, one of them sort of came up and its head's up again and watching and seeing what's going on. They're very active and terrestrial, chase lizards down for food. And we sort of surrounded this thing and chased it and finally got it into a couple of bushes, and after about 10 or 15 minutes I was able to grab the thing, and I knew that it was aggressive, and it turned around and went right up my arm with about 5 bites. I thought, that's really great. Look at this thing. And it was a little bit of blood, but not anything, but it was sort of a reflection of how aggressive they are compared to many of the other species that I was used to. And that taught me a good lesson. It sort of, wow, this is impressive.